Hi guys, my name is Zamaswaze and today I'll be taking you through a full body HIIT workout that you can do in the comfort of your home. Takealot has got me set up with some amazing home workout equipment. Don't worry, you can still do the exercises without the equipment. The workout includes the box ski jumps, single arm seated rows, jump squats to kick back, alternating knee ends, low plank step ups to plank jacks, and lastly the elevated glute bridge to abductions. So for our first exercise will be the box ski jumps. So you start in the middle of the box, engage your core, and then start tapping from left to right. You sit down, and then according to your strength, you can choose either band. Place it on the opposite foot of the arm you're going to pull, and lift it up, and start pulling. Halfway there, swap legs, and place the band on your other foot. So for our next exercise, the squats to kick back, you place the resistant band on your ankles, and then you set up your stepper, engage your core, and then do a jump squat and kick back. So for our next exercise is going to be alternating knee ends. For this one, we're going to be using the resistant band. You place it just below, under your feet. Sit on your stepper, get your balance right and engage your core. Bring your knees in and start alternating. Our next exercise will be the low plank step up. to plank jacks. For this one, I'm going to be using the medium resistant band. Take the resistant band and place it on your ankles. Get in a plank position and then go down, plank, up, down, plank. Engage your core muscles throughout this movement. Our final exercise for today will be the anaerobic glute bridge to abductions. For this one, I'm going to be using the heavy resistant band because I trust my glutes. Up, abduct. Whew. And that's it, guys. The aim is to do 3 rounds, and if you feel that you're strong, you can go for 4 or 5. And please follow us at Home Fitness for more free home workout videos. Bye!